The maintenance required light on your 2010-2015 Toyota Prius is a reminder based on mileage: 5,000 miles for conventional oil or 10,000 miles for synthetic. It doesn't monitor oil quality. This light appears on the dashboard to remind you when it's time for an oil change. First, park your Prius in a safe location and make sure the vehicle is completely turned off. Turn the ignition key to the on position. The dashboard lights will illuminate, but do not start the engine. Press and hold the trip meter reset button, usually located on the steering wheel, until oil or maintenance appears on the display. Release the button, then immediately press and hold it again for 3 to 5 seconds until the maintenance light resets, displaying 000 or flashing. Turn off the ignition to confirm that the maintenance required light has been reset. If the reset doesn't work, repeat the steps or consider using an OBD2 scanner to check for underlying issues, such as a weak battery that can interfere with the reset process. While the reset is usually straightforward, issues like a weak car battery can prevent it from working. Prius chat forums highlight that replacing a failing battery often resolves reset problems. If the light reappears shortly after resetting, consider using an OBD2 scanner with apps like Carly or FixD to check for error codes. This is a growing trend as manual resets may phase out in future models. Ignoring the maintenance light won't immediately damage your engine, but can lead to issues over time. Remember, regularly changing your oil and properly resetting the light is crucial for maintaining your Prius's fuel efficiency and preventing potential warranty complications. When in doubt, consult a professional.